All right guys, today I'm gonna show you guys what the clear looks like. A lot of people have been asking for this, so I wanna show you exactly what the clear is. So the way that it's packaged in a tube. It comes in a 3-inch tube, and this is the clear. It looks like it's white, but it's not. We do provide you with an installation kit when purchased. Just go down to frequently bought and you'll see it there, and you can get it at a discount. But let me go ahead and grab this for you. All right guys, so here's the clear, and then here's the installation kit that it comes with when purchased. And this is essentially what you're looking for. So what you want to do is you want to take, you've got a knife, a squeegee with a felt side, you've got a trimmer, you've got some additional blades. And we're going to take our trimmer. I think one of the most important things is to identify how big your window is. And what we recommend generally is to focus on the glass panel that does not have a screen on it. That's the one that's generally causing damage. So one way we can do this, if you're limited on tools, is we could just come down, you can identify how large we need it. That's about right. And that fits the entire surface of the window. I'm gonna keep it rolled up. Take my little slicer. Okay, so now that we have it done, we're gonna roll it with the liner on the inside. All right, looks like we're about ready. Now what I like to do is I like to use some spray foam, some good paper towels, and a squeegee. Take your spray foam. The reason why we use spray foam is because it has a little bit of alcohol in it. It's going to take away any residue. It's going to leave it very dry without any streaks. And you have really two options. You can use your paper towels or you can use your squeegee. Now, another thing about using glass cleaner is it's not going to leave too much water, so it's not going to stagnate on the edges. It's going to allow it on the edges to really dry up and not lift. Once we're all set up, we've cleaned the glass, go ahead and take this and start peeling it and give yourself a little bit of excess. See this little molding trim right here? Let's just line up our film parallel to that, closest to the glass. What I want you to do is just lightly tack right there and right there. Once you have that, hold on to the liner and pull straight down. That's it. You might see some lines here. Don't be worried. Simply pull up. Now that we have that done, I'm just going to take my card and I'm going to work my way edge to edge. You might see a little bit of streaking initially. If you notice the little streak marks, don't worry, when that gets heated up by the sun, that's gonna go away. Now the nice thing about this film is because it's got those perforations, they're gonna allow the air to escape and it's not gonna leave you with bubbles. Now that we have that all set, our film's fully on the glass. Don't worry about any of the streak marks, those are gonna go away. At this point, this is where you take your knife, just pull it out of its packaging, it's already ready to go. All I want you to do is take the blade edge and go to the corner and just follow the trim itself all the way down. Now what we want to do, finish off everything, take your felt edge, and you just want you to set down these edges with overlapping strokes through each edge all the way through, all the way around. And if you notice, it gets nice and clear. There you go. That is the finished product. We're going to take a look at it from the inside and show you what it looks like.